Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let me explain the acceptance of a string by NFA. The formal definition: an NFA accepts a string if at least one possible path from a start state reaches a final state after all the input symbols are read. Let us see with an example and let us understand in detail. Example for NFA. These are the states Q0, Q1 and Q2. Input alphabets are 0, 1. Start state is Q0. Final state is Q2. This is the transition table you can see. Based on this, we designed the transition diagram. You can see. So Q0 is a start state, Q2 is a final state. Let us go with an example and let us understand in detail. String 001. So step-by-step execution will understand. Q0 is a initial state which reads the first input symbol 0. So Q0 has a two possible transition to Q0 itself and Q1. Again, current state Q0 comma Q1 become our current state, which reads the second input symbol 0, which has the transition to the Q0, again Q1. Q1 doesn't have any transition on 0. So Q0 comma Q1 will become our current state, again which reads the third input symbol, that is 1, which has the transition Q0 comma Q2, where Q0 remains at the Q0 itself and Q1 moves to the Q2. I hope you guys understood. Please check the transition diagram and kindly understand the steps. So the string is accepted because Q2 is a final state which reaches the final state. So the string is accepted. We'll see the one more example, 000, where Q0 is an initial state which reads the first symbol 0, which has a two possible transition, that is Q0 itself and again Q1. Again that Q0 comma Q1 become our current state, which reads the second input symbol, that is 0. Q0 has again two transition, Q0 comma Q1. Q1 doesn't have any transition. Again Q0 comma Q1 become our current state, which reads the third input symbol, that is 0. Again it has the two possible transition from Q0, that is Q0 and Q1. Q1 doesn't have any transition on 0. So our final values are Q0 comma Q1. Q0 comma Q1 is not a final state, so the string is not accepted, it is rejected. Our final state is Q2, so 000 is not accepted. I hope you guys understood. If you have any doubts, please raise your doubts in the comment box so that I can respond. Thank you one and all.